Hello. Thanks for dropping in. Here we have the third 1541 disk drive. At least I think it is. In the packaging. Ta-da. So, I will carefully. I'm going to set it on the floor. Take off the sleeve. Hope that nothing bad happens here. Oh. All right, there do seem to be cables. Oh dear, excuse me. Pardon me, excuse me. Oh. What is this? Oh. Yes. There are cables. Important reminder, you must turn off your computer before inserting or removing cartridges and connecting connectors. Let me try that again. Important reminder, you must turn off your computer before inserting and removing cartridges and connecting of accessories such as dataset, joystick, etc. in order to prevent serious damage. This is true. Okay. Let's see here. We have a power cord. And we have a 1541. Now, this 1541 is a little different. If the drive is white, later on, the 1541C, everything was white. But, Commodore didn't really care about colors and things and stuff. They get them in, get them out, get them in, have them ready. Things come in for repair. If they can be repaired, piece them together, send them back out the door. So, we're going to apply power. Well, this too is going to be a very quick video because this too just spins, which means there's nothing really I can do at this moment. This was supposed to be a quick assessment, and it is a quick assessment. It just spins. Let me see. Put this up to the microphone. It spins and spins and spins. Funny, the first one I looked at, it spun and stopped, but then it didn't. There was no more spinning. Try that again. So once again, what does this mean? What could it mean? Well, I don't have one of the circuit boards like handy right here, but there are a number of chips on there. And typically speaking, it means that one of the main chips is somehow squirrely. And hopefully it is one that is in a socket. And of course, if you have other drives around at work, you can test things. I have other drives around. One would think at this moment I don't have any that work, but I do. For example, this one up here. Let's just turn this on for a second. So here I have this thing running that says 1541 testing. Now, I'm not getting a whole lot of testing done today. Oh, well, that doesn't sound too good. I will reinsert the disk. What's going on? Is this like cursed morning? I mean, it's working. Grinding away. Grinding away. Let's try flipping this over. any difference. Huh, now it sounds fine. Well, I'm going to do something. I'm pressing the reset key. Oops. Ay, ay, ay. I'm just going to give something a try here. Anyway, I'll just give this a quick thing just to make sure this drive is okay. It should be okay. It's been okay. It's funny, as I look fondly into the distance, I see a stack of, oh my, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, maybe 20, 15, 41s. Maybe. I really need to get to the pets. I did not intend to find all of this extra stuff in the garage, but it's nice to find it. I'm working on, right in front of me here is the Commodore 128 that came out of there that was, well, quite filthy. I believe probably it was used by somebody who smoked cigars, cigarettes, something. I don't know. It certainly has had a lot of love. It has. Ugh. Anyway, as I have said before, I really need to do some more tidying in here, and this eruption of various machines and things to test has not helped. So what I will do soon is piece things together, put things back in boxes, and because we're in the box room, I wonder if this is still working. It's come up with something here weird. Oh, the Commodore 128 Christmas demo. I don't know if I've seen this. I don't know if it's going to work. Maybe I should. Oh dear. Oh, okay. It's doing weird things. Alright, I've seen things like this before. Oh my, this thing does not have a sit chip. The Commodore 128. Get this. Hang on. Oh no. Now this thing is going to get into its whole crazy thing. No, 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 no. I'm not going to let it go through its whole thing. It's a beautiful thing. It's very well put together. It's very handy. But no, 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 no. Oh, it's funny. Yeah, this does come up with nice things. I think the best thing I can do right now. Well, I'll try this. Pop this out. I'm gonna press the reset switch. It's gonna try and load. I'm not gonna let it. Alright. F3 for directory. And now because I'm in 128 mode, I could just type I'm going to deload the Christmas boot. Now this said something about the 128. But it's not. Anyway, you know what? Enough. Early in the morning, things are not going particularly well. I've got three 1541s that are giving me headaches, and it's going to be a busy day. So I'm going to let this do its magic. But for us, that's it. That's all. I could let this demo play, but there's no point. The SID chip in this machine is not working. So, thanks for coming. Keep your stick on the ice. It's funny, with this microphone here, it's a bit of a test.